We are installing some deck handrails. The deck is mostly prepped. We need a small piece of Z flashing, some flashing tape across the top. We got our butyl tape all down, and we're using 6x6 posts for this, and we're going to show you how we do that. So here the deck rail actually calls for a 4x4, but we're using 6x6s. We end up notching the 6x6 instead of just insetting the 4x4. This gives us a nice flush look on the outside of the deck. We end up taking out 3 inches, which leads us a full 2.5 by 5.5, and then we install blocking after. If you don't know how to notch a post, we got a couple videos on that. Check those out, and that'll walk you through it. We measure, find our center of our band board here. This is going to be our center handrail post here, and then all we're doing is we're just securing it so that we can hold it in place so that we can mess with plumb. We take a LedgerLok. It's a 5-inch LedgerLok, which is essentially about the distance that we have left, 2.5 plus 3. So there's a little bit of room to play, but these LedgerLoks will drive real deep. So John's going to pitch it in at an angle so that we don't end up throwing it out the outside of our band board there. So all we're doing now is we are putting in some blocking around our post. Right now it's just got the single LedgerLok holding it in. We will pull these close to plumb whenever we shoot our blocking into the sides of our posts. And as you can see, like, it's only got one block in. This thing's already pretty sturdy, and it's just one LedgerLok and one block sewed to it so far. And then when we're done, what we're going to do is we're going to through bolt it through the outside, through our band board, through the blocking that'll go on between these, and it'll be a 1/2-inch carriage bolt, and those things will make this thing bomb proof. So now we have all of our picture frames put in. We started laying our decking. We've got all of our posts blocked. We don't have them all through bolted just yet. This one is. But then now all that's left to do is lay this final bit of decking. And then after that, put in our handrail. So follow along, and we're just going to finish this deck up. Make sure with composite decking that before you just trust the factory edge, make sure to throw a square on it. As you can see here, this one's off by a heavy 1/16, almost a light 1/8. And so I always make a flush cut on the end of my board before measuring for my boards. Take the line. Now we got all the decking laid, got our picture frame most of the way around. We have to cut in little pieces there on the end. And the only downfall to the Tiger Claw guns when you're shooting them is that when you get to the end, obviously you can't lay it flat because you're running into your house. So the last couple runs, we actually have to end up using spacers made by Trex or whoever you like to use. And then we just have one more little rip cut. It's about 2 and some change inches. And then we'll be ready to finish the railings. Picture frame, hidden fasteners, just waiting on the railing. Beautiful deck, nice little balcony. Like and subscribe.